And you're not alone. I want you to look around the room right now, to your left and to your right. And I want you to smile at the person.
Hi, I'm Roger Caesar, founder and CEO of Caesar Empire Speaking and Coaching, where we are building an empire of captivating communicators. As a TEDx and award-winning speaker, I am grateful to have had the opportunity to transform lives one person at a time across the globe. From stages to boardrooms, I energize audiences with memorable stories and powerful messages. As she developed, as she got older, one of the things that I always said I would do as a father was constantly talk to her, constantly get to know her, constantly let her know how much I loved her. As a business owner for over 2 decades, I found that my passion is to empower leaders and foster collaborative cultures by strengthening team connections and building positive change management. I am eager to equip individuals with fundamental skills from presentations and sales pitches to constructive feedback and conflict resolution. Over time, I've learned to appreciate the significance of how we interact with others, what we say, and how we say it. Whether it's conferences, corporate functions, one-on-one coaching, or training workshops, I am driven to help others soar beyond their imagination and find their greatness.
I have to say, in all seriousness and candor, I love Roger Caesar when he speaks. This man on stage is awesome. He has this ability to connect with audience members. If the audience is huge or small, he knows the one and done, really how to speak to someone. He absolutely knows how to motivate the audience. Like I've seen him even speak to a corporate organization. He's like gotten everybody out of their chairs and doing some interactive things. Roger's your guy. And to be very candid with you, he's even coached me as well as a speaker, and he's an amazing coach. So I have to say, Roger Caesar, if you're looking for a keynote speaker, an MC, a real superb speaker, Roger Caesar is your guy. Give him a call.
Today is my opportunity to make those around me find their greatness.